I saw that a lot of robotic programs in Indonesia, also as well in Singapore. Then, could you please tell us what is the difference between this program in Singapore, this robotic program in Singapore, compared to the other program in other other countries, including in Indonesia? So, please, Brandon.
Okay, so we have went through a few research regarding the kits that a lot of companies, a lot of places uses, which is Lego itself. So Lego is more on a block building toy, and it's a toy company. So technically, they actually created this program or this Lego's Spike Prime itself. You can say that is actually for them to explore and play with the product and actually buying more pieces to actually add on. And for Lego itself, the things that they use is a bit more restrained in terms of what kind of sensors they can use. They are a bit limited. But whereas for the Robokit set that we are using right now, we have up to 15 to 18 sensors that we can use, up from magnetic sensors, from touch sensors, ultrasonic, followed by the tilt sensors, uh, camera module, all this. So all these things will be used in their classes, but like joysticks and controllers, all these will be used. And the special thing about our set is all modulars, means that it's all those IC chip style, which is very related to any existing products like that is for advanced learning. For example, Arduino, or they say about like Raspberry Pi. These are all much more advanced learning because the program that they use there is more for computer languages. But whereas our set is more for exploring for students that actually still have not learned the basic concept of learning well, programming, or maybe they already learned already but they're still not very good at it, they still can't visualize the program itself. So actually our set caters the bridge between these two concepts, so that when they are having when they are learning the advanced programs in the future, they can easily adapt the knowledge over. So it's a transferable knowledge basically.
Yes, yes. So, actually, this is bring the student to get a real case, right? Or real case, so they can do the application of the learning robotics later when they explore more about the robotic system. No, so not just like the common robotic programs that they learn now, but after it comes into the next level, they don't know how to do the next step, right? Because like, oh, this is so different, right? So different. So I don't know whether it can be like this. So yeah, this is very interesting program in the the robotic inventors that we will host this December in Singapore.